Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box for the month of September. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Hi everyone! So welcome back for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and welcome anyone new to my channel. I'm super excited to have whoever's on my channel today. If you don't know who I am, my name is Aisha, hence the YouTube name Aisha Loves Makeup, and I do lots of unboxings on my channel. I love beauty stuff, anything beauty related, so you're going to see a lot of beauty content on this channel. I do makeup subscription unboxes, I do makeup mystery boxes, I do makeup hauls, anything makeup related. If you love makeup just as much as I do, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And we're about to get into this box, but before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Show your girl some love. And if you do subscribe, which I hope you do, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. FYI, I do have a giveaway going right now. It's in my video that I posted where I show you guys the majority of how I organize most of my skincare. So if you guys want to win a massive box of free skincare, I was going to say free makeup, free skincare, then watch that video. Alrighty, we're gonna dig into this bad boy. This box retails for only $21, which I think is very reasonable price. I want to show you how the boxes come. So you actually get a box in a box. So this was in here, which I always say is kind of wasteful. Birchbox was like that as well, where they put the box in the box. And I kind of get it because this is such a pretty box and you can reuse it. I don't reuse these because I get too many makeup subscription boxes and I would just be like a hoarder with boxes everywhere. It's bad enough I have all this makeup and skincare, hair stuff for my boxes. I don't need to have boxes on top of that. So unfortunately, I don't keep the boxes unless it's like really something that stands out to me. This is a beautiful box. I do love the thought that they put into these boxes though, so I see why they do put it in a box, but most subscription boxes, you just get like one box and you open it and the product is inside. So this is a UK makeup subscription box. So let's see the goodies. I like this box because you won't always get stuff from the United States. Like sometimes I don't want to have all the stuff. I want to try from other areas of all over the world, and this is how you get a chance to do that from these boxes. So when you open the box, this is what's on the top. We always get like a little pamphlet book in here. So that's that. And then you get like a little sticker right here that makes sure you know that it was sealed. And I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek. That is your sneak peek right here. And we're gonna dig in. So the book always just talks about like the things that you're gonna get in your box, which is this, what's in the box. And we're gonna dig in. So the first thing, what is this? The first thing I got, oh, these are bath fizzers by Bubble Tea Bath and Body. And this is, it says pink, what is this? Rhubarb and custard bath fizzer. You could kind of smell it through the plastic. Smells like fruity. Smells very fruity, but this is what it looks like. I love bubble baths. It reminds me like of a kid when when you're a kid. Well, adults do it too, but like that's what it brings back memories for me. So I just love bubble baths. You have a long day at work, you could just relax in some nice hot bubbly water. So I'm definitely loving this. I'm trying to remember if they put the prices. I know they tell you what's in the bag, but I want to see if they tell you the prices of everything. No, they do not, unfortunately. So, like, for example, this is what I got right here, but there's no price in the booklet. It just tells you about it, but there's no price, unfortunately. Alrighty. The next thing I got is from Ciate, London. It's Glow to Illuminating Blush. Let's see if I could wear this color, because I feel like a lot of brands, when they give you blush, it's normally too light for me, but we'll keep my fingers crossed that it's something that I could wear. Let's see. Ooh, this is beautiful. I don't think this is a color that I could wear, so I'm probably gonna have to give this away. It's way too late for my skin tone. I'm gonna give this away, but look how pretty this is. It's like multi-dimensional color, but I know it's definitely not gonna look good on my skin tone, so I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm not even gonna use it. I'm gonna give it away. What a bummer though, because this is beautiful. I would have really loved to try this, but like I said, it's too light, so I'll give this away. And let's see what else I got. I got a serum from Filorga? I don't even know how to pronounce this. Filorga. Who knows if I said that right, but that's the brand. Like I said, you will be getting a lot of stuff from it is a UK subscription box, so a lot of stuff you may not know. Not everything's always from the UK, but the majority, yes. Like Ahava's not from the United States. What else is this? Oh, I'm showing you. I'm like going too fast. All right. So I love Ahava's body products. I got a lot of like body creams and stuff like that from like, I want to say BoxyCharm and Ipsy. So I'm super excited for this because their stuff is really great. So very happy for that. The next thing I got is a eye mask from Skimono. So that's exciting to use, like a nice little mask here. Like I said, they didn't give any prices, so I can't tell you any prices. The next thing I got is a mask remover, but this is huge. I definitely use like not the beauty blend, I'm sorry. I use a makeup eraser now, which I'll have something more detailed about that in the near future video. But this is interesting because it's huge, and I'm guessing you use your hand, and like it's really, really big. Mask removal. Yes, so I was right. In the picture, it has a girl with her hand like this. Oh, when you just, you know, like rub your hands like so. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that in this picture here. Oh, you can see it. It's number 2 right here, right there. Where the girl's wiping it off with her hand. So I like the makeup eraser one. I can't speak for this one, but we shall see because I will definitely try this out. So I'll put this, actually I'll put this in my drawer that I don't need to keep the plastic. Alrighty, so that was about it, guys. So I don't know if I'm loving this box. I don't know if I'm even keeping the subscription box. I want to say I canceled it just because it's not a heavy makeup box, and I like boxes that are more makeup heavy. So I don't think I'm going to keep this box, unfortunately. Now, just because I don't 100% like the box, and I do like the box, it's just that my preference of boxes are boxes that tend to have just more makeup in it. But I do like the items. I'm not gonna lie, because like I like everything in here, like except for the skincare that I got. And if you watch my skincare collection video, you would know why that I recently posted. But like, there was only one makeup item from this box. So like, this takes off makeup, but it's not makeup. Your girl needs makeup. So yeah, so unfortunately, this won't be on my channel for long. I want to say I subscribed to them for like 6 months, or was it a year? I'm not sure. But I always try to give a subscription company at least 6 months to give it a fair run, but it wasn't makeup heavy, so I had to let it go. But this may be my last box, or I may have one more left. So let me know what you guys think of this subscription box in the comment down below. And that's really about it. That's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you love my videos and you want to just show your girl some support, you can give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Or you could subscribe too, you know. I'm not going to hate you or knock you from subscribing to your girl, you know. But nevertheless, whatever you guys do, I appreciate it. Even if you guys just watch my video, I'll take what I could get. It's still supporting your girl. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.